Hello, Sai sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Vishwanath Sabre. I missed your last lecture. I refer it from YouTube. So today I joined here.
Yeah, no problem. I will repeat the class once again. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. See, sir, I just wanted to know, suppose someone is from like MSc mathematics background, so that person also join these classes, right?
Yeah, why not? They can join.
So
no problem.
yeah, but they can learn Salesforce and make a career in this, right?
Why not? Everybody can join. Any graduate can join. Any graduate can learn this course. If you want to learn this course, you do not require any software prior knowledge. Understand?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Everybody can learn easily. No problem. And I will make them understand.
And your voice is low, sir.
Yeah, your voice is very low, sir. Hello.
It's complete 100%. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Your voice is low,
Yes,
sir.
very low, sir.
Very low.
Sir, suppose I missed
Hello.
some. Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, suppose I missed the session. So, is there any option for means pre-recorded session provided by you, sir?
Yeah, I will provide the recording sessions also. No problem.
Okay, sir.
I will provide the recording sessions. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I have one doubt. Actually, I am working as a Java developer and I have 3+ years of experience. So I want to move into Salesforce. So after attending this course, I can move into Salesforce developer.
Yeah. Do you have any prior knowledge in software? Any programming language before?
Actually, I am working as a Java developer. I have 3+ years of experience. And I want to switch from Java into Salesforce.
Yeah, that is more than enough, guys. That is more than enough. Okay, no problem. You can easily go. No issues.
Okay.
And sir, I have.
My voice is audible. First of all, tell me.
Yeah.
Yes. Now it is audible.
That is clear.
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
But
I have one
told
question.
that my voice is so very low. Is it right?
Yeah, this is okay.
Now it's okay.
Fine. Yeah, now it is fine.
Fine. Thank you. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me at the end of the class, guys. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Let me start the class.
Sir, I have one question. Actually, I'm from manual testing background. So, is there any technical knowledge required for this?
So it does not require any technical knowledge. Actually, here we have a programming language called Apex, just like Java, C, C++ only. Okay. So everything I will be taking care of, even though if you do not have any programming skills before. Okay, I will going to start the class very from scratch. What is language? What is variable? What is statement? What is variable? What is token? Like that, I'm going to start. I'll make you master in programming. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the duration of the course total?
Minimum 2.5 months.
2 months. Sir, it is regular or alternate?
No, regular course, Monday to Saturday.
Okay. Thank you.
Every day 1 hour session. Okay.
Sir, this is first
Sir,
class.
is there any lab support in online?
Yeah, why not? I'll give the support.
Sir, what are the timings, sir?
Right now, 5 to 6 only. And we will start very soon new batch. But timing is not yet decided. I will inform you in case any batch will start.
Sir, did you describe about the real-time project at the end of this course?
Yeah, I'll give the project also.
Okay. On our own hands, we can able to do a real-time project in this course.
Yeah, after completion of the course, I will give the project. We'll explain the project abstract and all. Okay, you have to do on your own. I will guide you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, let us start the class. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I have one single question. Sir, in this Salesforce, there is lots of modules like admin, lighting, and developer. So, which you take all of these only
All the
for
6 modules I'm going to cover. All 6 modules.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, one question I have. As this batch is from 5 p.m. right?
Yeah, 5 p.m.
So
to 6
and there are many working employee are also attending this course. So in any other batches will come after 5:30. We can attend in that class also.
Definitely. I'm planning to start a new batch after 6 o'clock. Okay, we will inform you. Okay, don't bother about it.
Okay, hello. Thank you, sir.
Let me start the class, man. Let me start the class. Please. Excuse me. Let me start the class. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me at the end of the class.
Sure, sir, sure.
Thank you. Is everyone can view my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Prem
sir.
Kumar, Mayank,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Vishwanath,
Yes.
Yes,
Pavan Kumar, Sri Chitta, okay, Sri Chitta, Venkat,
Yes.
everyone. Okay, thank you guys. And one more important point before I'm going to start the class. If anybody have any kind of doubts regarding the subject, without any hesitation, stop me and ask the questions. Understand all of you? Don't sit idle. I'm requesting all of you, please treat me like your friend. Please treat me like your friend, guys. Understand? Everyone in the class.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Feel free.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now let us start the class. Java is not required. Java is not required, Deepak. Java is not required. No problem. Okay. Let us start the class, guys. First, listen the class, then ask the questions. Okay. So I'm going to start the class with a small question. Tell me, what is Salesforce? Question is what? What is Salesforce? I will tell you what is Salesforce means. Before I'm going to discuss about this point, okay, listen carefully. We have something like Microsoft. I hope all of you know about this name. Yes or no? IBM.
Sir.
We have something like Google. Okay. We have something like SAP. We have Oracle. Okay. What are all these? Tell me. What are all these? Even a small kid know about all these names.
Yeah,
Yes,
these are companies, sir. Companies.
Software companies.
Software companies.
Application companies.
Software companies. Very good. Very good.
Vendor
Very good. So let us take a small example. Accenture. And we have something like Capgemini. We have Tech Mahindra. What are all these? These are also companies. Yes or no?
Yes.
But what is the difference between these two companies is you can stop me. Yeah.
Service-based company.
The first set of companies are nothing but a vendor or a product-based companies, where we can see the products which are developed by each companies, respectively. Like Microsoft can .NET from a Microsoft, or mainframe from a IBM, and even Google Gmail from a Google, and SAP. There are around more than 48 modules from SAP. Oracle, again, Oracle database and all. Similarly, again, Accenture is again service-based company. Accenture, Capgemini, and TCS. These are all like client to the again. They are using the product from the vendor or a product-based company with having some agreement, like 5-year or a 6-year agreement. 5 or a 10-year agreement with using the particular tool or a particular product from a vendor or a product company.
Very good. Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
Rajshekhar.
Rajshekhar. Did you attend the session, Rajshekhar, before session?
Nothing. I attended the workshop, first workshop.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
Answer.
Did you attend
Yes.
the workshop?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for your remembering the workshop. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rajshekhar. Okay. So let me recap. The new students are joined in the class. Those people not attending the workshop. For them, let me discuss about this. Okay, Rajshekhar. Okay, guys. Yeah. Everybody, please. I'm going to mute, guys. I'm going to mute. Excuse me. Yes. Now listen to the class carefully, all of you. There are two different types of companies in the IT industry. There are two different types of companies in IT industry. Okay. One is vendor companies, or I can say product-based companies. Product-based companies. The second type of company can be called as service-based companies, or I can say development companies. Understand, all of you? Service-based companies or development companies. Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, Tech Mahindra, these are all comes under service-based companies. Whereas Microsoft, IBM, Google, these companies can call them as what? Vendor companies. Vendor companies developing or manufacturing software products. Software products like operating systems. We have some programming languages. And we have something like packages. We have some applications. And we have something like technologies. Okay. So these are all comes under what? Software products. Suppose take the example of operating system. Windows is a well-known operating system. Everybody knows. Windows operating system developed by Microsoft company. IBM developed one of the database product name is called DB2, just like Oracle. Google developed one of the application name is called Gmail. Okay. SAP developed one of the database name is called HANA. Oracle developed one of the database name is called Oracle. In case of Oracle, company name, database name, both are same. So these are the vendor companies are developing what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, packages, applications, and technologies. Using these software products, development companies like Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, Tech Mahindra, like many companies in the market, this space is not enough to write. And these are all called development companies. And these companies are developing software applications as per the business requirement. As per the business requirement. Understand, all of you? Once again, I'm repeating, guys. Listen carefully. Development companies are developing software products like operating systems, programming languages, and all. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the business requirement. But who will do the business? Who are doing the business? There is another person in the market. There is another person in IT industry. There is another person in IT industry. That is whom? Client. So clients are those people. We can call them as business people. These business people are going to use software applications in their business. Who are the clients here? Suppose, as long as the Indian market point of is concerned, Airtel, this belongs to telecom industry. Okay. Suppose JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, it is comes under what? Education. Clear, all of you? And we have something like hotel industry, Taj Group of Hotels. coming to what? Hotel industry. And we have something like Hyundai or Tata. Okay, automobile industry. Automobile industry. And we have some ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank comes under banking industry. LIC of India, we have insurance industry. Okay, IRCTC, travel industry. Like that, there are different domains in the market. There are different business domains in the market, like education business, hotel business, automobile industries, travel business, banking business, insurance business. Like that, there are so many businesses in the market. Am I understand? All of you understand, guys? Okay, very good. So Airtel, JNTU, Airtel comes under telecom. See, guys, stop chatting, all of you. No need to chat. No need to type anything in chat box. First, listen carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. At the end of the session, I'll give the time to you. You can directly speak with me. No problem. If you have any doubts, no problem. I'll share my number. I'll share my mail ID. You can directly chat with me, or you can call me, or you can post your email. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. But as long as I'm speaking about the subject, you please concentrate what I'm speaking. At the end of the session, I'll give the ample time to speak with me regarding all of your doubts. I'm requesting everybody in the classroom. Some people attended workshop, some people not attended workshop. The people who are not attended workshop, for those people, I'm telling all these points. I'm requesting all of you, Rajashekar, the rest of all the people who are already attended workshop. Understand everyone here? Everybody understand? I'm going to unmute from my side. You can chat with me now. Okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
First, listen carefully. I'll give the time to talk with me, okay? No problem at the end of the class. Okay, guys? Stop chatting also. Please concentrate. So, Airtel comes under telecom, JNTU comes under education business, Taj group of hotels belongs to hotel industries, Hyundai, Tata, okay, these all comes under automobile, ICICI, HDFC Bank, banking industry, LIC, insurance, IRCTC, Indian Airlines. These are all people comes under what? A travel business. So these are the people are doing different kinds of businesses in the market. Their core business is different, but they are using software applications in their business. They are using software applications in their business. Understand, all of you? They are using software applications in their business. To run the business, they are using what? Software applications. Nowadays, if you go to any shopping mall, if you go to any hotel, if you go to any college, or if you go to any bank, or any insurance company, or any travel agency, wherever you go, they are using what? Software applications in their business. My question is, what are the advantages of using software applications in their business? What are the advantages of using software applications in their business? That is the point I'm going to focus right now. Everybody, please listen to the class carefully and try to understand. There are three major advantages of using software applications in their business, client's business. The first advantage is it saves your time, because in everybody's life, time is most important. Time is most precious. Understand, all of you? Time is most important. Time is most precious in everybody's life. If you are using software applications, it saves your time. How it saves your time? Suppose Rajashekar is my friend. Rajashekar is my friend. My name is Sai On. Both are the friends. I have the account in SBI, State Bank of India. He has the account in SBH, State Bank of Hyderabad, or maybe some other bank like Punjab National Bank, PNB. Understand, all of you? Stop chatting, all of you. Stop chatting, everyone. Don't type anything here. Good. Thank you. So Rajashekar asking me 10,000 rupees. I'm talking about 30, 40 years back. 30 years back, 10,000 rupees very huge amount. So if you want to transfer or if you want to deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, first of all, I need to go to my bank, SBI. There I'm going to take some withdrawal form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. I need to wait for some time. They're given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I can withdraw the amount. After withdrawing the amount, I need to walk down to Punjab National Bank, where my friend is opened the account. Here I'm going to take some deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. Then I can deposit the amount in his account. Tell me, if I want to withdraw the amount, at least I have to spend near about 30 minutes of time. Like that, if you want to deposit the amount in my friend's account, again I have to spend minimum amount 30 minutes time. I need to walk down from this bank to this bank, another 30 minutes. Approximately, I have to spend minimum 90 minutes of time to transfer the amount from my account to my friend's account. The whole process takes how much time? Approximately 90 minutes time. That is long back story. But if I want to transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account, within a span of minutes of time, I can easily transfer the funds using net banking, using mobile banking, using PhonePe, using Google Pay. Like that, I have plenty of ways I can easily transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account within a span of minutes of time. Tell me guys, what are all these? Net banking, mobile banking, PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, these are all what? Software applications. If I'm using all these software applications, I can easily transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account without wasting much time. In this way, I can save my time or not. Yes or no? That is the first advantage of using what? Software application. The second advantage of using software application is what? Security. This is also very important. How we will get the security if you are using software application? That is a point I'm going to discuss right now. Suppose maybe 30 years back, maybe 20 years back, even 15 years back also I can say, if you want to drink a chai or coffee outside, worth of 10 rupees or 15 rupees, you have to carry the cash with you. You have to carry the cash. Sir, no. If you want to perform any kind of transaction in the market, without cash, you can't do anything. Sir, no. That is long back story. But nowadays, you no need to carry the cash. You are using what? We people are using what? Cards. Cards like what? Debit cards, like credit cards. Okay. Or we can use what? PhonePe. Or we can use what? Paytm. Or we can use what? Google Pay. Yes or no? Tell me guys, without using cash or without carrying the cash, we can easily perform transactions in the market. Yes or no? Once you do not carry the cash with you, indirectly you're getting the security for your money or not. Because every transaction we can perform through what? These software applications nowadays. Everybody understand this point clearly? That is how we can provide we can get the security for our money. This is the second advantage of using software applications. The third advantage of using software application is scalability. What is the meaning of scalability here? Very simple. Scalability means, very simple. Scalability means, okay, listen carefully and try to understand here, guys. Scalability means, suppose Rajashekar, he belongs to which place, ma? Rajashekar? Rajashekar.
Bangalore.
Very good. Suppose my friend Rajashekar belongs to Bangalore and myself, I'm staying in Hyderabad. Okay. And he's having the account in SBI in Brigade branch. Yes or no? Okay. Rajashekar. Brigade is one of the place in Bangalore. Okay, in that place, SBI branch, you open the account. And I have the SBI account in Hyderabad. And I belong to Amirpet branch. Both of the banks are same. And everyone here? If I want to transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account, I need to withdraw the money from my account from Amirpet Center. I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to Bangalore. I need to go to Brigade Road where my friend is opened an account. There only I can deposit the amount in his account. Why? Because even though banks are same, this branch is different, this branch is different. Like that 30, 40 years back, every bank, every branch working independently. One bank, one branch is nowhere related to what? Some other branch. All of you understand, guys? Yes or no? That is why it becomes delay. If you want to perform any kind of transaction, it becomes delay. That is why once you software application come into the market, we can easily connect all the branches, all the banks across the globe, across the world. We can easily transfer the funds from anywhere, 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 any bank to any bank, or any branch to any branch. This is all about scalability, guys. We can achieve scalability, we can achieve security, we can achieve time saving through what? Through what? Using software application. So these are the three major advantages of using what? Using software applications. The first advantage is what? Saves your time. Second advantage, gives the security. The third advantage is what? We can achieve scalability. These are the three major advantages of using software applications. This is one side of the coin. The other side of the coin, in traditional system, both clients and development companies, they need to upgrade the software, they need to install the software, and also they need to maintain the software on their own. Understand, all of you? For your better understanding, I'm going to give a small example. I'm talking about long back matter here. I have a company called ABC company, for example. Let us assume like this. I have a company called ABC company. This company is going to start maybe next year. For my company activities, my company business requirement, I need some software application. I given this application, I given this project to a development company called TCS. So in this particular context, who is TCS here? TCS is a development company. This development company is going to develop software application as per the ABC company requirement. So TCS point of view, who is ABC here? ABC is a client that everybody knows here. So in this particular context, TCS need to develop the software application as per ABC company requirement. Further, they decided to use, suppose, .NET software to develop the application. So TCS need to purchase .NET original software, .NET original licensed software, .NET original licensed software from vendor company. Who is the vendor company for .NET software? I hope all of you know. Microsoft. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The original licensed software .NET cost around near about 10 lakhs approximately. TCS invested 10 lakhs amount. They purchased .NET software from vendor company called Microsoft. But .NET is not really sufficient to develop the complete application because every company should have some database also. That is why TCS need to purchase some database. For a database, TCS need to purchase original licensed software from vendor company called Oracle. Understand, all of you? So .NET original software approximately maybe 5 lakhs. Understand all of you. .NET total software can be called as what? Maybe approximately 5 lakhs. So here in this particular example, TCS invested 10 lakhs on Microsoft .NET, 5 lakhs on Oracle, 15 lakhs, and also they need some operating system. Okay. Take the example of operating system. Sun Solaris operating system cost approximately maybe 5 lakhs. I don't know how much cost exactly. So in this particular example, TCS altogether invested how much? 20 lakhs. They purchased all the 3 products from 3 vendor companies. They developed the software application as per the client requirement. That is the end of the story. So tomorrow, my company employees are going to use a software application. My company employees are going to use a software application. If I want to use this application, my systems also contains .NET software. My system also contains what? Oracle database. My system also contains what? Sun Solaris operating system. If I do not have .NET software, if I do not have Oracle database, if I do not have Sun Solaris operating system, this particular application cannot run. Yes or no? Speak out all of you. This application cannot run. That is why even client also need to purchase all these 3 products from these 3 vendor companies. And in this example, even client also need to invest how much here? Speak out, 20 lakhs. Now, in the entire story, what you understand is the vendor companies getting how much business here? 40 lakhs business. How much? 40 lakhs business from both development companies and as well as clients. Understand all of you? That is why among these 3 people, vendor companies, development companies, and clients, among these 3 people, vendor companies are the most visionary people. Vendor company owners are the most visionary people in the market. They are the most wealthiest persons in the world. Wealthiest persons in the world. They are the most wealthiest persons in the world. Out of 10, top 10 billionaires in the world, if you type in the Google, minimum out of 10, minimum 3 to 4 people belongs to vendor companies only. Yes or no, all of you? Microsoft company owner, Bill Gates. Yes or no? Oracle company owner, Larry Ellison. Facebook owner, Mark Zuckerberg. Yes or no? So these are the 3 people comes under vendor company owners or not. That is why vendor companies people can be called as what? Most visionary people. They're getting more profit, they're getting more business from clients and as well as what? Development companies. Everybody understand this point clearly? So in IT industry, we have 3 important key players are there. First player is vendor companies. Second player is development company. And the third player is whom? Client. The whole game is rotating between all these 3 people only, guys. Vendor companies, development companies, and clients. Vendor companies developing software products. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the client requirement. This is how the game is rotating between all the 3 people. I hope you understand what I'm speaking here. Yes or no? Rajashekar and rest of all the people in the class. You can talk with me now.
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Sir,
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yes,
Yes,
I have a question here, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, go
it's
ahead.
clear.
Sir, as you mentioned that there are 2 types of companies over here, but I'm giving you a scenario here. For example, it's a company is a vendor company, and it's having its own software application, and it's also providing the service for its own software application. So in that scenario, how
You see,
things will work.
I'll come to the point. You know about Infosys?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, is Infosys a development company or vendor company?
Sir,
Development company.
Development company.
It's a development company. Yes or no? But
Yes,
Infosys had its own products also. Do you know about that?
No.
Yep, sir. Yes.
Tell me some other products of Infosys.
One banking software, I forgot the
Yeah,
name.
very good. What is that? Very good. What is that?
Pinnacle.
Very good. What are the banking software is called what? Finacle. Infosys is a development company, but they are having its own product name is called Finacle. Most of the companies or most of the banks in India, I'm talking, most of the banks in India, they are using what? Finacle software. For Finacle product, who is the vendor company? Infosys is the vendor company. Understand all of you. That is why some of the developing companies also acting like what? Their own products. But their main business is what? Development. They are not developing what? Software products. But whereas Microsoft, it's purely vendor product. Yes or no? Vendor company. Am I correct or wrong? Whereas Google, purely what? Vendor company.
Vendor.
Whereas SAP, purely vendor company. Whereas Oracle, it's a purely vendor company. It's a product-based company. All of you understand? That is why, listen carefully, if you got a job in product-based company, you will get more salary than what? Development companies. Understand what I'm speaking here? And you will get more job security also, rather than development companies. If you got a job in a product-based company. That is why, I don't know whose name it is. What is your name? Hello? What is your name? You asked this question?
Rajshekhar, sir.
Rajshekhar. Understand the point here? That is why some of the development companies developed their own products. But their core business is what? Development business, not software product business. Understand?
Yep.
Understand? Good.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have one question. TCS is a development company. Okay, so he work on .NET and on database. So why client need .NET on database? Because client is a developer software here. Client only need operating system.
Okay, very good. But you download this application on which software?
Yeah. Okay.
.NET, or no? If you want to run this software in your application, if you want to run this application in your system, the system should contain .NET software or not?
Okay, sir.
Without having .NET software, how this application can run? Not possible, na? See.
Okay, sir.
I developed Java application. I developed some Java application. Okay. I want to install Java application in your system. If I want to install Java application system, the system first require what? Java language or not? Java software. Without having Java software, how this application can run? Not possible.
But here we don't need full package of Java, na? We don't need full package of Java.
Maybe half package of also. See, as per their requirement, they have to purchase from whom here? Vendor company.
And one more thing, database is also taken care by the TCS because TCS already purchased and he give maintenance also. So client don't need .NET, DBS and OS for 20 lakh, I think.
Yeah, see here, everything comes from client pocket only. Even TCS is also not invested here. Yeah. What you said, that is 100% correct. Understand all of you? Everything coming from client's pocket only. Understand?
Yes.
Don't your name.
Yes.
Okay.
Vineet.
Yeah, I just tell a story here. Understand?
Yeah.
But everything coming from real time.
Yeah, everything comes from the client pocket.
Client pocket. Ultimately, client is Bakra. That's it.
Yeah, even for maintenance, development company also charge for the client.
Everything coming from client company.
Yeah.
Understand? But ultimately, who will get the more revenue here?
Vendor.
That is why vendor companies are most visionary people. That is why the most wealthiest persons in the world. Am I clear?
Yes, clear.
Am I clear, all of you guys? The whole story here? Yes. The game rotation between all the three people? Good.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you, guys. So, upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of the home here. Clients and also what? Development companies, especially maintenance. Vineet, I hope you remember maybe 6 years back or 5 years back in Chennai, I can say, completely 10 days. Okay. All the companies are closed, all development companies.
Yeah, due
Because
to
of-
heavy
because of
heavy
rains.
rains and flood.
Yeah, because of flood, heavy rains and all. The water coming to the server rooms, all the servers are collapsed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, they rebuild the database servers. It all comes under what? Maintenance.
Yes.
Okay. 10 days means almost $10 billion lost. Do you know about that? Yes or no? Yeah, it all comes under what? Maintenance. That is why in traditional system, both clients and development companies, they need to update. They need to what? Not update. What is this? They need to upgrade. They need to install. They need to maintain the software on their own. Clear? This is the major drawbacks of traditional system. Because of this problem, only top level companies, or I can say premium level companies, are using what? Software applications in their business, but not, what is this? Small companies. Understand, Vineet? Only top level companies or premium level companies are using software applications in their business, but not small companies. Maybe Vineet got it out. Sir, how we can say this? And what basis you can say this statement? I'll tell you an example, Vineet. I hope everybody know about KFC. Yes or no?
Yes.
In Amirpet, there is a bakery. Okay. Almost KFC business, bakery business, both are same. KFC selling what? Burgers. KFC selling what? Soft drinks. Even bakery also selling what? Burgers, soft drinks. Almost KFC business, bakery business. Okay, almost the same. Suppose I'm going to the KFC, I ordered one burger. There is a person who is standing in front of the system. He enters my order and given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. But after that, I will get the order to me. Yes or no? Now tell me, is KFC using software applications in their business or not? KFC has its own software applications.
Yes, sir, they do.
KFC has its own systems. Yes. Whereas bakery is Amirpet Center only one branch. Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm going to the bakery. I ordered one burger. The person who is sitting in front of the counter, he take my order and give the order to me. He do not maintain any systems. He do not maintain any software. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me, why KFC using software applications in the business? Why not bakery? The reason is very simple. KFC has lots of branches across the globe, across the world. Yes or no?
Yes.
KFC business not only crores, but whereas bakery, only one center in Amirpet. Their business turnover in thousands only. Yes or no? That is why this bakery owner is not in the position to afford what? Using software applications. Understand the point, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
According to this example, what you understand is only top level companies are using what? Software applications. But not small companies. Why they are not using? Because they are scaring about what? What is this? Upgradation, installation, maintenance.
Maintenance.
All of you. Because of these three reasons, only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
But software applications should reach to whom? Software applications should reach to small, low-level companies also. Yes or no? Then automatically customers will increase in the market or not? Vendor company point of view. Customers are increasing, then automatically they will get more business. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But how we can increase the business? What we have to do? The only answer is, the only simple solution is, we have to, what is this? Reduce the, what is this? Speak out. Step cost. Clear, all of you? Very simple example I'll give you here. Right now I wore Calvin and clean t-shirt. Is it? Guys, speak out. What is the company t-shirt I work right now? Calvin and clean.
Calvin and
Clean. This t-shirt cart is 5,000 rupees. Tell me, out of 100 people, how many people can afford this t-shirt for 5,000 rupees? Maximum 5 people.
5 people.
5 people. So this company getting how much business here? 25,000.
25.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
if this company reduce the cost from 5,000 to only 2,000, then how many people can afford out of 100? Minimum 80 people. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This company got how much? 1,60,000 business. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
So how it is possible? Why increasing? Why customers are increasing? Because they reduce the cost. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the simple business funda here. So once you reduce the setup cost, then automatically customers will increase. Customers are increasing, then automatically you will get more profit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand this point clearly? If
Yes,
customers
sir.
are increasing,
Yes,
then automatically you get more business, more profit. So we need to reduce what? Setup cost. But how to reduce the setup cost? This is the question raised in vendor companies. Right. Understand? How to reduce the setup cost? That is arranged in where? In whom? In vendor companies' brains. Clear all of you? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called something like what?
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. Clear all of you guys? Cloud computing. What is cloud computing here? Cloud computing is a technology.
Internet-based computing.
It is a technology. Or I can say, somebody need to mute, guys. Some noise around you. Otherwise, I will mute from my side. Thank you. It's a technology or it is a concept. In this concept, in this technology, whatever IT services we require, outer IT services we require, everything will provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection, and access those services. Just try to understand this point. It is a technology concept. Here, whatever IT services we require, IT services means it might be hardware service, or it might be what? Software service. We require. Everything will provided by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. All of you understand? This is the concept of cloud computing. Maybe some people not understand clearly the meaning of cloud computing. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this and try to understand. Listen carefully. I want to check my mails and also I want to print out my mails every day. Maximum 5 to 10 minutes. All of you understand my requirement here. Every day I want to check my mails and also I want to print out my mails every day 5 to 10 minutes max. For that, I have to purchase some laptop. Need about 50,000 rupees. Or no? Clear all of you. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, please wait. 1 minute, please wait. 1 minute. Sorry, guys. So laptop cost is how much here? 50,000 rupees. I need to install some software. Okay, for installation operating system, rest of the software I need to pay at least minimum 3,000 rupees. I need to take some internet connection from IST, and every month I need to pay the rent, minimum 1,000 rupees or 1,500. Understand? And also I need to take some printer, cost around 15,000. Approximately I need to spend how much amount? Figure. Figure all of you. 70,000 rupees.
70K.
Yes or no? Tell me, guys, for just browsing 5 to 10 minutes mails and printing mails, 70,000 investment is it idle investment? No, it is not idle investment. Yes or no?
No, sir, not at all.
So instead of purchasing all these things unnecessarily, simply I'm going to where? Some internet center.
Internet center.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Some internet center there. I go there. There I'm going to check my mails. I can take the printout. I just pay maybe 10 rupees or 50 rupees, whatever I want. How much I want. Yes or no? Maybe 20 rupees. Tell me. Excuse me. Somebody need to mute. Someone need to mute, guys.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me.
Sir, please mute yourself.
Thank you. So instead of purchasing all these things unnecessarily, simply I go there in the internet center and whatever I require, my mails I can check, I can take the printout, I just pay the amount and come back. Tell me, in the internet center, who purchased all the laptops? Internet center owner. Who installed the software? Internet center owner. Who took the ASP connection? Internet center owner. Who purchased this printer and all? Internet center owner. Means the whole setup is maintained by whom here? Internet center owner. Simply I go there and access the information, how much I want, and pay the amount. How much services I'm using? For that service only I have to pay. Suppose if I'm using only 5 minutes, I have to pay only 10 rupees. If I'm using maybe 1 hour, I have to pay maybe 20 rupees. If I'm using maybe 3 hours, I have to pay maybe 100 rupees. Like that, how much amount of time I'm using, for that service only I have to pay. I don't need to pay anything extra. This is called pay-per-use model. What is this? Pay-per-use model. The name itself implies how much services we are using. For that service only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. This is called what? Pay-per-use model. The other name can be called as plug and play, or we can call it as what? IT services on demand. Here, all of you, there are 3 names, guys. Pay-per-use model, plug and play, or IT services on demand. Clear, all of you? Here also in cloud computing also, okay. Vendor company provided what? All services. For whom? For both client and as well as development companies. You just need only what? Internet connection. We can access those services. And whatever services you are using, for that service only we need to pay. To whom? To vendor company. This is the concept of what? Cloud computing. The cloud computing technology is not a rocket science, guys. Even a layman also can easily understand this particular technology. Am I clear this part? What is cloud computing and all? You can speak with me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But last 2 minutes, I keep on saying that vendor company provides IT services. But what kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides majorly 3 types of services. Vendor company provides what? Majorly 3 types of services. One is IaaS, second one is PaaS, the third one is what here? Something like SaaS. SaaS can also be called as Clear all of you? IaaS stands for, excuse me, infrastructure as a service.
Infrastructure.
Better to mute. PaaS stands for platform as a service. And the SaaS stands for software as a service or application as a service. Software as a service or application as a. Clear all of you? So like that, vendor company provides how many types of services here? 3 types. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Regarding all these 3 services, I'll explain you tomorrow. What is infrastructure? What is platform? What is software as a service? But today class, I just discussed about the important key players in IT industry regarding vendor companies, service-based companies and clients. What are the advantages of using software applications in the business? And also we discussed about difficulties of using software applications like upgradation, installation, and maintenance. And these problems we can overcome through what? Cloud computing technology. In cloud computing technology, every service provided by vendor company, as a user, we just need only internet connection, we can access those services. That is why once cloud computing come into the market or come into the picture, vendor companies and development companies and clients, they will release the burden from upgradation, installation, maintenance. Upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor companies only. This is the advantage of cloud computing, guys. I hope all of you understand what is cloud computing and all. Yes or no? All of you. You can speak with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
That's it. That's it, guys.
Got
Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah, guys. Tomorrow class. Okay. I will discuss about what are these services. Okay. I will discuss about what are these services. What is infrastructure as a service? What is platform as a service? What is software as a service? Everything we will discuss tomorrow. After that, we will discuss about Salesforce company is the top in the area of platform and service. Why Salesforce company in the top in the area of platform and service? That is the reason I'm going to discuss in tomorrow class. And after that, we will discuss about Salesforce clouds like Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, Health Cloud, IST Cloud, different clouds we have. Regarding all these clouds, we will discuss in tomorrow class. And after that, Salesforce partners. These are the 2 important points I'm going to discuss in tomorrow class. Salesforce clouds and Salesforce partners. All of you understand, guys? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. All these 3 services, Salesforce clouds, Salesforce partners. These are the 3 topics I'm going to cover in tomorrow's session. Clear, all of you? So I hope all of you understand.
Your voice is very low, actually. It's
My voice is very low.
No, it's fine for me.
It's fine for me, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's fine for me also.
Yeah, maybe the problem from your side only.
Yeah.
Sir, one last question. So
Yeah.
these all 3 services comes under the same model, right? So what you mentioned here, pay per use model or a plug and pay. So this will be like a business terminology, right? Again, are we going to learn any other module apart from this, or all these 3 services comes under the same module? Same model.
Same module.
Okay.
See, you are learning PaaS. Infrastructure means hardware. Hardware anyway you cannot learn anything. Yes or no? It's physical component. Hardware means. Okay. So platform as a service you are learning. On this platform you are going to develop. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. I got
all
it,
these 3 services comes under this course. No problem. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. And see, guys, I'm going to cover 6 modules, guys. I'm going to cover 6 modules. Okay. That is first configuration. Second one, development. Third one, administration. Arpan Banerjee can speak with me. Administration, ERM, and I'm going to cover integration. Here, all of you. These are the 6 important modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus, guys. Okay. So tomorrow, apart from these topics, tomorrow I'm going to discuss about, okay, what are the job opportunities in Salesforce? And first of all, why I need to learn Salesforce, why not other technologies? Regarding all these points, we are going to discuss in tomorrow class. Because today I joined late, because first 10 minutes, some people ask many doubts. That is the first 10-15 minutes wasted unnecessarily. But tomorrow we will discuss all these points. Don't bother about it.
Sir, I have a one question.
First of all, do you understand today's class?
Yes.
Okay.
Super.
See here.
Sir,
All
sir,
these
is
6
this
modules.
the first session today?
Yeah, this is the first session.
Okay.
So very nice explanation, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, fresher will get opportunities in the Salesforce, sir. Only experienced guys.
Both experienced as well as a gap. Suppose you have a gap, almost 3-4 years gap. For experienced also, you will get the jobs. Both freshers and experienced. I will tell you tomorrow how to prepare the resume and all. Okay, how to put the fake experience. Everything we will discuss tomorrow, guys. Understand? Don't bother.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Will you provide notes
LWC will be covered.
See, I am going to exactly log in at 5 o'clock, guys. Exactly 5 o'clock, I am going to start the session.
And sir, at the end of this course, sir, will you be providing guidance on certification? Then what certification we should be doing first?
Yeah. Regarding certifications, admin we have 2 exams. Development also we have 2 exams. That is PD1, Platform Developer 1 and Platform Developer 2. Understand? Admin also 2 exams. Core admin exam, advanced admin exam. Okay. All these four exams.
Thank you, Roji.
Sorry?
Hello, sir. LWC will be covered?
LWC is not covering. LWC is a separate topic. Here we are going to cover our components. If you want LWC, I need to take another separate batch. LWC. Lightning Web Component.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir.
And sir, what would be the duration of this course?
Minimum 2.5 months.
And it's going to be 5 days a week, right?
6 days a week. 6 days a week.
6 days a week. Okay.
Sir, any possibility of morning batch?
Yeah, regarding morning batch sessions, please ask to the management of Durga. They will get the information regarding this.
Okay. So you are mentioning
this timing is fixed, sir? 5 p.m.
Yeah, 5 o'clock is fixed. And if you want any other batch, please ask to the management regarding timing, because it is their hands. It is not in my hand. Okay, when they want me to start the class, I will start. No problem.
So how can I get the information about LWC course?
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
So where can I get the information about LWC course?
Yeah, they will provide the LWC.
DURGASOFT.
Sir, can you share management contact?
Okay, then.
So thank you so much for the today's session. It was nice explanation. Thank you so much for that.
May I know your name, please?
Parvinder Singh, sir.
Thank you. You are from?
Sir, I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. Thank you. Thank you.
Can you share management contact?
Sorry, contact number?
Management contact
number. You can find it in the Google, no problem.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, guys, because I'm running out of my time. I have another session. The people are waiting for me.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.